This is probably going to be the biggest cookie you've ever seen. I had a crazy idea recently to take two of these and bake them into this. This is the Nestle Tall House cookie dough, and they claim this is real cookie dough and real chocolate chips. So apparently we just might make the realest, biggest, thickest cookie. So we'll see what happens. Now each one of these can make about 36 cookies, so the two of them put together would be about 72 cookies. So we'll have 72 cookies turned into one cookie. It's going to take about 1 hour for all of it to bake. Not the best idea I ever had, but it does taste okay.